You can only apply for one credit card, just one. There are a million credit cards out there, so which one do you choose? For most people, I will be able to answer this question in 1 minute. What's up, you guys? I'm Jacob Fisher. It's Minute Monday, so let's put a minute on the clock and answer the question, which credit card is best? You are going to be using it for purchases every day, but you want the most rewards you can get out of it. Getting a card that has bonus categories is probably not going to be the one to get because you only get 1% back in everything but the bonus categories. You need a card that gets you 2% back on everything, which means we're going with the Citi Double Cash. But wait, there's a bit more info to get out. The Citi Double Cash will be the card to get to keep things very simple on a base level. However, the Bank of America Cash Reward Cards is a better card to get if you can meet certain criteria. At the end of the year, the average person should earn $567 from the Citi Double Cash. The Bank of America only leaves you $397. So what do I mean? Well, if you have $50,000 you can leave in a Bank of America bank account or investment account, you get a 50% increase in all your categories. For the numbers, that's 1.5% based on everything, 3% at grocery stores, and 4.5% in the category of your choice. At the end of the year, you'll probably be earning $597. Of course, you can go one step higher, and if you have $100,000 to put in a Bank of America bank account, you will get a 75% bonus in all the categories I just mentioned. At the end of the day, which card should you get? If you can only get one card and don't have $50,000 or $100,000 to put in Bank of America, then get the Citi Double Cash. But if you do, then get the Bank of America Cashback card because it gives you the most reward dollars for your spend. It's pretty simple. I really hope this info helped you out if you were trying to get a credit card and keep it very simple. If you are not and would consider getting multiple cards, then check out another one of my videos. I go in depth on how you can get over $700 cash back. If you like these little bits of info, then give me a like. If you're gonna get one of these cards, make sure to leave a little comment and let me know which ones you might get. Until next time.